Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a soft glam makeup tutorial. So if you would like to see how I did this soft glam look, keep on watching. I'm going to start by priming my eyes using the Morphe eyelid primer in translucent. And I do already have some concealer on my eyes just to cover up any veins or other imperfections. Since the primer is translucent, it obviously isn't going to provide that coverage. So I like to put a very thin layer of concealer on my eyes and let that sit for a little while, and then go in with the eyelid primer. Today I'm going to be using the Morphe and James Charles palette. I'm going to start by mixing Mary and Canvas for the first transition shade and placing that into the crease and outer corner. Now I'm just going to go in with just Mary on the same brush to add more depth to the crease, and doing the first step before going in with just Mary will help to blend the edges better. Now I'm going in with Boutique on a fluffier crease brush and concentrating this just in the crease and more on the outer corner. And then I'm also going to bring it down towards my lash line using the same brush, and then going back in with the original brush with no additional product, just making sure that the blend is seamless. Now I'm going in to No Beans, which is a slightly more brown, deeper shade than Boutique, on a pencil brush, and once again focusing this just on the crease and that outer corner. And then going back in with the fluffy brush to blend those edges again. Now I'm going to go back into Mary and Canvas on the original fluffy brush and really enhance those two shades, because we kind of started to get a little bit too dark on the outer edge from all the blending. And then also make sure to blend it into the creased shades. Now I'm going to take the Morphe eyelid primer and a flat concealer brush and use that to cut my crease. Now I'm going to mix Sister and Face and pack those onto the lid. Now I'm going to go back in with Boutique and blend out the outer edge of the cut crease and where I put the shimmer, and then go back over it with the shimmery mixture, but keeping the shimmer on the inner 2/3 of the eyelid. For the lower lash line, I'm once again going to take Canvas and Mary and blend them into the top eyeshadow. And then I'm going to go back into Boutique and keep that one tighter on the lower lash line. And now I'm going to use Face to highlight the inner corner and the brow bone. Now it's time for lashes. For lashes today, I am wearing a Salon Perfect. I don't know exactly what the name of these are, but these are the lashes. And that is it for this look. So if you like this look, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. And be sure to share this video because once I get to 100 subscribers, don't forget I will be doing a giveaway. And thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!